Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. And a welcome for the first time to Ferry Meadows. Now I've never been down here with the camera before, even though it's only 5 minutes away from me, but it's quite a popular place usually. And yeah, I don't like filming when there's other people around realistically. So I've never been down here with the camera. However, there's a bit of a backstory as to why I've come down here today, and it's my determination to get a photo of one particular bird. Now it's not a special bird, but I want to get a picture of a crested grebe, and I know they're down here. Mrs. S and I come down here all the time just for a walk, the two of us, and I went out to do some filming the other day. Miss S was like, we were going to see family later in the day, and yeah, so I went out with the camera first thing in the morning, and Mrs. S was like, oh, I'm just going to go for a quick power walk round here, because as I'm going to be sat all day not doing anything. And she's walking around here, and she gets a picture of a crested grebe, really quite close. And what I want to talk about today is just that determination to get a shot of one particular bird. Now, so I know it's not a special bird, but anytime I've seen one, I've always got all right photos. So I'm determined to see if I can get a photo, a decent photo of a crested grebe. So stick with us, let's see if I can get one. Is that a grebe out there? No, just a coot. That's one. See if I can get down a bit lower. Oh, slippery. It's all right, but it's too far away. Okay, let's carry on searching. Okay, let's try a different spot, because it looks like there's some grebes over there. Just put my coffee down. Yeah, there's some grebes out there in the distance. One just dived down. Oh, don't fancy trying to get waterside with this. Come on, where are you? Where have you gone? There he is, next to the swan. And he's just dived. Hopefully it'll come in closer, because he's still quite far away. Unfortunately, it's really overcast this morning, so I've got my camera set to auto ISO, 1/1000th of a second, f6.3, and still shooting at 3200 on the ISO, because there he is. He's just died down again. Yeah, because it's just so overcast and dingy. Oh, mallard. Hey guys. Quite a nice little portrait shot. Thank you. Oh, more mallards. Although now I've been taking those shots of the mallards, I actually can't see the grebe. He's disappeared outside of my view. Oh well, we'll keep walking. Oh no, there he is. Where are you? Ah, I've lost him again. He's dived down again. Just as I was trying to find him on the water. Oh. Just grab some pictures of a swan with its wings out. Actually, that looks nice and sharp. A little bit noisy though, but I'm going to start. Still shot at 1600, but obviously because it's a swan, it's exposed for them being. Oh, he's dived down again. That swan's coming closer. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so I usually shoot on single point, but the grebe's getting closer. Oh, he's just dived down again. Right, I'll keep an eye on that. So I usually shoot single point so that I can get a more accurate focus, and also I'm not skilled enough to actually use a wider focal point selection. But I just switched that on to zonal because obviously the swan was moving so quickly across the water that I wanted to make sure that it was focusing on the right spot. That grebe keeps diving just as I locked focus on him. So because he's a smaller bird on the water and quite far out, I've switched back to single point. So I'm going to sit around here for a bit longer and just see if I can actually get a half decent picture. Watch this space. Okay, no luck with the grebe shot so far. To be fair, the pictures of the swan actually look quite pleasing. So hopefully they've come out all right and don't just look good on the back of the camera. Now, I also stopped at a spot which is known for kingfishers, but I've never actually seen one down there. By Ham Bridge. I've never seen one, and I'm still yet to see one. So kingfishers are definitely one of my, at present, bucket list birds. I want to get some decent photos, but I have a feeling to do that I'm going to have to go to a paid hide, and I'll talk about paid hides in a different video actually. But at present I'm just going to continue my search for a decent shot of a crested grebe, and obviously if I find anything else I'll grab some shots of that now. So stick around, let's see what we can see. I think I may have finally bagged it. I think I might have got my decent shot of a crested grebe. Here he is again. He's dived. So I'm right down on the water's edge. One of the great things about Ferry Meadows, I think it's more for fishing, but I can get right down to the water's edge, which has allowed me to get a better angle of the crested grebe. And because of that, it's allowing me to get a better focus. I don't know why, but my camera doesn't like focusing on the grebes. and he's dived down again. Now, it's not an action shot or anything like that. He is just bobbing around on the water before he dives down. So it's not like he's up flapping his wings or anything like that. But still, I just wanted a nice picture of a crested grebe, and I think I've got it. So this one's actually coming relatively close. He's dived down again. In comparison to the other grebes that I've been photographing today and all the other times I've actually been down Ferry Meadows. So patience has been a virtue here, where I've been just sat waiting, watching this one who's been closer to the shore so that I could actually frame him better. Now, it will probably have a little bit of cropping. I am shooting at 600mm and I have got crop function actioned. So he's still some distance away. I'd rather he be closer still. But you know what? If I've got the shot, I'll be happy. So yeah, if they're any good, I'll stick them up for you now. Okay, so making my way back to the car now, and yeah, I was just walking back. I was quite content with the pictures that I got, and there was one even closer to shore, and I think I managed to bag my best shot of a grebe so far. They're not interesting in the respect of the grebe wasn't doing anything but bobbing along on the water, but you know what, don't care, got my shot, so I'm happy. Also as well, managed to grab some shots of swans in flight, or a swan in flight. It looks like it's come out quite nicely, so fingers crossed for that one as well. Now I'll stick both of those pictures up at the end. Yeah, just coming back to this whole topic of getting that shot, getting the shot that you're after, getting that picture of the one bird, kind of ties into the whole quantity over quality. No, quality over quantity. God, you can tell I'm tired this morning. Quality over quantity video that I did that you guys would have probably already seen. It's just that persistence, and well, I also did a video about persistence pays off as well. And it's so true with wildlife photography. If you just keep doing what you're doing, keep coming out, keep slogging away, be persistent. And if you've got a particular bird in mind that you want to photograph, keep coming to the same locations over and over and over again, just to try and get that one shot. Trust me, it's what all the pros do. They may make it look easy. You see these videos on YouTube where, oh yeah, I came out and look at this shot I got. How many times did they go out to get that one shot? How many times did they go to that same location just to get that one shot? Because trust me, YouTube makes wildlife photography seem a damn sight easier than it is. Now, I say I'm done for the morning. I've got what I wanted, and there's no point in hanging around. As I say, the grebes just seem to be doing what they're doing. So I'm just going to head over to this table to pop my camera down. Yeah, they just seem to be bobbing along on the water, nothing interesting, no takeoffs or anything, just diving down into the water. But the camera is still out, and obviously if I see anything else other than the swans and the grebes, I'll grab those pictures, and yeah, I'm happy. So these kind of videos, these are the sort of styles that I like doing, just coming out for the photography. I don't like necessarily doing educational videos in a respect. I usually make a topic about it, but I much prefer just being out in nature and doing these behind the scenes ones as opposed to informative ones about how to take better pictures and stuff. I say, sometimes I'll do a topic and I like to focus a video on something, but yeah, I just want to be out taking pictures, and it's what you should all be doing as well. So, right, let's sign out. So obviously, if you like the video, give us the old thumbs up and drop some subscribes from down the bottom, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And yeah, this is Mike out. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.